3I Atlas, the interstellar visitor that challenged our understanding of the cosmos, a stranger crossing our sky. Space appears calm and predictable, but that calm is an illusion. Hidden within the darkness, countless objects move silently between stars. Most will never be seen, but once in a great while, one crosses our path. 3I Atlas was such an object, a visitor that did not originate here, passing through our solar system only once before disappearing forever. An object that refused to belong. From the first calculations, astronomers noticed something unsettling. This object was not looping around the sun like a normal comet or asteroid. Instead, its path was open, fast, and irreversible. It was not captured by gravity. It was only passing through. That single detail confirmed its interstellar origin. Why interstellar objects are extraordinary. Most cosmic bodies remain tied to their parent stars. Interstellar objects are different. They are exiles, ejected from distant systems by gravitational chaos, stellar encounters, or planetary formation processes. Detecting one is like spotting a single grain of sand crossing an entire ocean, a journey measured in millions of years. Before reaching us, 3I Atlas likely traveled for millions or even billions of years. It crossed interstellar voids, passed dying stars, and survived cosmic radiation. By the time it reached our solar system, it had already lived a lifetime longer than human civilization itself, possibly older than the sun. Some scientists suggest that 3I Atlas may predate our solar system. If true, it formed around another star long before the sun ignited. This would make it a relic of a much earlier era of the galaxy, a frozen survivor from ancient cosmic history. A comet reveals itself. As it approached the sun, 3I Atlas began to change. Ice trapped beneath its surface sublimated into gas, forming a glowing coma. A dust tail followed, pushed outward by sunlight and solar wind. These features identified it clearly as a comet, but one with an unfamiliar story. A comet unlike any other. Although it behaved like a comet, its chemistry told a different tale. Certain carbon-based molecules appeared in unusual proportions. These differences suggest that it formed in conditions unlike those of comets born around our sun, possibly in colder or chemically distinct environments. A direct sample from another star system, 3I Atlas represents something rare. Direct evidence of planetary formation beyond our solar system. Unlike exoplanets, which we observe indirectly, this object carried physical material from another system directly into our reach. What its composition tells us. The gases released by 3I Atlas hint at the environment where it formed. Different ice ratios suggest variations in temperature, radiation exposure, and stellar activity. Each molecule is a clue, pointing to conditions far beyond our cosmic neighborhood. Why scientists call it natural. Despite its unusual origin, everything observed about 3I Atlas fits within known physics. Its motion follows gravity precisely. Its activity responds to sunlight. Its changes over time match what rotating, active comets naturally do. No evidence of artificial control. The object made no course corrections. It did not slow down, accelerate unnaturally, or emit signals. Its trajectory was smooth, predictable, and entirely consistent with a natural body moving under gravitational influence alone. The legacy of earlier visitors. Still, memories of earlier interstellar objects influenced public reaction. Previous discoveries raised unanswered questions and ignited debates. When 3I Atlas appeared, it arrived into a world already primed for speculation. Why alien theories emerged so quickly? The idea of alien technology thrives where uncertainty exists. An object from another star system naturally invites imagination. Could it be artificial? Could it be a probe? Could it be debris from advanced engineering? Speculation versus science. Speculation is not belief. It is exploration of possibility, but science demands evidence. Without physical proof of artificial materials or intelligent behavior, extraordinary claims remain hypothetical. The heartbeat phenomenon. One of the most discussed features of 3I Atlas was a rhythmic variation in brightness. Some described it as a heartbeat, a repeating pulse that seemed too regular to be random. Rotation explains the rhythm. As the comet rotates, active regions on its surface heat unevenly. Jets of gas turn on and off as they face the sun. This creates brightness cycles that appear patterned, but are entirely consistent with comet physics. Comets are naturally chaotic. Comets are unstable by nature. Cracks form, jets erupt, and surfaces evolve rapidly. Small differences in composition can create dramatic visual effects, producing behavior that can appear intentional when it is not. The appeal of the hidden probe idea. Some argue that if alien probes existed, disguising them as natural objects would be logical. A comet draws little attention and travels naturally between stars. But this idea remains philosophical, not supported by observation. The absence of signals, no radio emissions, no artificial patterns, no encoded messages were detected. Every attempt to identify communication failed. Silence, in this case, spoke louder than speculation. Why mystery still matters. Even without alien evidence, 3I Atlas remains mysterious. Its origin system is unknown, its age is uncertain, its exact formation conditions remain theoretical. Mystery does not require extraterrestrials to be powerful. The Fermi question resurfaces. Every interstellar visitor revives the same question. If life is common, why do we see no clear signs? 3. Atlas offers no answer, but it reminds us that the galaxy is active and interconnected. Closest approach to the Sun. As it reached its closest point to the Sun, 3I Atlas brightened. Activity peaked. Telescopes across the world captured as much data as possible before the object began its long departure. A narrow window of observation. This encounter was brief. Unlike planets or recurring comets, 3I Atlas would never return. Every observation had to be made quickly. There would be no second chance. What we learned about other systems. 3I Atlas showed that other star systems produce comets similar to ours, but not identical. Planetary formation appears universal, yet endlessly diverse. What remains unknown? We do not know which star system it came from. We do not know how long it wandered. We do not know what forces shaped its final path toward us. Why it matters for the future. Each interstellar object improves our detection methods. Future surveys will find more. Some may be larger, stranger, or closer. 3I Atlas was only the beginning. The object that united curiosity. For a moment, scientists, skeptics, and dreamers all looked at the same object. It reminded humanity that we share one sky and one sense of wonder. Leaving the solar system. Now, 3I Atlas is fading. It is moving outward, back into interstellar darkness. Its encounter with humanity is over, but its impact remains. What it leaves behind. It leaves data, improved science, and deeper questions. It leaves a reminder that the universe is not static. It moves, exchanges, and evolves. Imagination needs discipline. Wonder drives discovery, but discipline keeps it grounded. 3I Atlas shows why both imagination and evidence are essential to understanding the cosmos. A cosmic messenger without words. 3I Atlas brought no message, yet it communicated something profound. The galaxy is alive with motion, history, and connection. Not proof of aliens, proof of scale. It did not prove extraterrestrial intelligence. Instead, it proved something equally humbling. How small our corner of the universe truly is. The silence of the stars. Silence does not mean emptiness, it means distance, and distance in the universe is vast beyond comprehension. What comes next? More interstellar objects will come. Some will surprise us, some will confuse us. Each will teach us more about our place in the galaxy. The final perspective, 3I Atlas was almost certainly a natural comet, but its journey reminds us that reality itself is extraordinary. No aliens required. A reminder, written in motion. For a brief moment, something older than humanity passed through our sky, and in doing so, it reminded us why we look up. Final reflection. 3I Atlas did not answer the biggest questions of existence, but it made us ask them again. And sometimes, that is the greatest discovery of all.